Fetch AI's massive breakout is just getting started, and at the time of this recording we have now managed to break above resistance at the 0.949, flipping it back into support. We are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, and I believe that Fetch AI is now ready to break above the next key area of resistance above the 1.162 in the next coming hours. And on today's video I will be discussing my breakout target areas where I'm still expecting higher prices in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis where I'm expecting more than a 10x on the long term here on the Fetch AI chart. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening since the 5th of August when we saw a massive breakdown move giving us a low at the $0.7. We started a very nice recovery to the upside where we first picked in this Elliott wave count 1, and after we saw the high for that Elliott wave count 1, we started a bit of a short-term pullback in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I highlighted on the charts using this red target area, and this is an area that you have now fully maximized. And having seen the low for the second wave, I have been saying to you in my previous videos that I'm expecting higher prices in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliott wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies above the 1.151 as my minimum target area, and that is an area that we almost fully maximized today. And there are chances that in case in the next coming hours we continue to see bullish movements, we are going to fully maximize the area, and at some point also manage to break above resistance at the 1.162, and the moment we manage to break above that with a successful retest, then I will continue expecting even higher prices where we can easily see an extended wave 3 to the upside to the fib level 2.618, where we can peak above the 1.377. So there are high chances that in case in the next coming hours we manage to break above the 1.162, we can easily see another leg to the upside, getting us back above the 1.377. And once you have a high in place in this Elliott wave count 3, then at that point I will be expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliott wave count 4, then continue gearing up even higher in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the short term here on the Fetch AI chart, where I'm still expecting higher prices until we fully maximize our minimum target area above the 1.15. And jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis. On the daily chart you can see that after getting our bear market lows last year, we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 3.479 in what I am terming as a Elliott wave count 1. And having peaked in this Elliott wave count 1, I was expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliott wave count 2. And the minimum target areas for the second wave I have highlighted on the chart using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And in the next coming days I'm expecting that we are going to continue seeing higher prices in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive Elliott wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the bear market lows to the high above that the 3.479, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies above the $6 mark. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the long term here on the Fetch AI chart. And in case we manage to hit our minimum target areas in this Elliott wave count 3, that will be a perfect 6x to the upside. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the long term and also on the short term. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.